Everyone, I thought I'd just demo how we install a leaf gutter system here to keep rats out of this roof in Bulleen. I'm using the Karben leaf guard kit. It's a good quality product. It comes with the gutter strips already pre-drilled, which makes it much easier to fix the strip onto the edge of the gutter. This strip's already been secured on the edge. The first step is to roll out the gutter mesh and line it up with the edge of the gutter. Then you're ready to secure the strip. That's the strip installed. The next step is to lock down the mesh with the saddles. First I like to press down the gutter mesh to get a nice fit on the profile of the roof iron. And that's it. It's a nice snug fit, and we're going to lock the rats out of this roof.